Ranking LEGO Ninjago 2011 sets. Hello guys, in another video. Today I will be ranking Ninjago 2011 sets. And yeah, I'm gonna find this thing real quick. Okay, now we can continue. We got the Zeta. Yeah, we need that. First up, we got this thing. I mean, it's not that bad. We'll put it in a Zeta. Now we got the Mountain Shrine. It's quite nice. Can't say much about it. So we'll beat it. Now we got this thing. I forgot what it was called. We'll put this in a Zeta. Nothing special. Also, I actually think this is better. Now we got the Skull motorbike. Now this set, I think is really good. Belongs in an Eta. Nice dragon attack. It's a classic. Esther. Actually, it could be better with 4 feet. We got the Skull Crusher thingy. It has such a cool play feature. The munching thingy is so cool. Eta. The Spinjitzu Dojo set. Very nice. Not much, but still good. Beta. Gomdom's Dark Fortress. Says it's the best. It's just so good. The Skull Trap. So it's probably perfect. The Fire Temple. This is a very good set. And it has the Kai Dragon, which is very good. Eta. Yeah, bonus too. So we got the blacksmith shop. This was a set of its time, and it's like the new one's just better. Beta. Okay, the Earth Dragon Defense. It's a very nice set. I put it in 8. It's a classic. I mean, it could have been better. It could have been better with wings, but it is what it is. It's 2011. We can't do much. I'd like to use this time to thank you. Yes, you for watching this slop that I cooked up in 2 hours. And consider subscribing. The training ground thingy, I forgot. I mean, it's a Zeta. It's not much. Knuckles ATV. Season 11 2. Skeleton bowling. This is not that bad of a set. It's cool. The feature was quite good. I'll use a spinner to knock down. I need to shut that. We got the training ground thing. I forgot what it was called. It's a beta. You get 2 spinners. The Lightning Dragon Battle. This set, it's perfect. Esther. It's got 4 feet and wings. Perfect dragon. We got this Zane wings thing. I think it's actually kind of cool. Belongs in beta. This skeleton thing to pair with Zane. Zeta. This belongs in Zeta because it's like a hydrogen bomb versus coughing baby situation. Along with this one. End of the video. Like, sub, share, and you shut up.